literally just had that one note on my wall since the beginning of the year. Definitely need to make some more notes. My bed hasn't been made. It's about 11 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. Amazing view. Procrastinating a lot this morning, so I just said, why not make a video? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm gonna try to be more consistent on YouTube. I'm just gonna show you guys some coding that I'm doing, and then hopefully I can go on to do some Japanese learning. Yeah, pretty much that's it. I really need to improve my attention span again. It's gotten so low. I've been playing too much video games. That's why I could only revise at that point for like 30-40 minutes. Usually I would do like an hour or two. So yeah, man, I need to get back onto that. I'm just gonna take a little break and then I'll probably do some Japanese. Apart from everything that I've been getting up to in university, another thing I realized that it's actually very important to make connections and to gain experience. Never ever underestimate the ability to socialize, because there's so many mature students, people way older than me, that have experience in the industries of tech and everything, and they were saying how much they wished that they did more socialization and did more connections during their time in university. So I said, I'm not going to take this time for granted, and I'm just going to spend second year getting to know people and just being at more events. It does more good than bad, trust me. And all of you guys in first year and even third year, it's not too late. Just get on it, man. It's worth it. You can build up your LinkedIn, and happy days. First time ordering in uni. I said, let me treat myself to a whole chicken, you know, chocolate cake, tango. You know how we do it. Look at that. Full chicken. I did do a time lapse for before, but I can't be bothered to do a time lapse today, so you man aren't going to be able to see the enjoyment still. Can't lie to you. Got the chips out here. You know what I'm saying? Just to conclude the video, I thought I would show you guys where I'm at with just an individual project I've been making. I started this project quite a while ago. I started it in the summer holiday before my second year, so that was about July 2023. Obviously, all of this was not done individually. I was obviously using, you know, a lot of help online, Stack Overflow, etc., and some AI to help me. But these are just some of the classes I have. I've got my header files, my CPP files over here, just you guys can take a little look at them. And yeah, turn my phone off, that's a bit of a distraction. This is obviously my compiler that I have here, and this is plugged into my terminal. So I'll plug this into my terminal. And then there we go. This comes up and we have three options. We can play games, display high scores, or we can exit. Obviously the high scores are just random people. This is not functional. These are just dummy letters at this point. But let's play the game. Let's go with easy. We're just gonna guess a random number between 1 and 50. And if we guess the correct random number, an image of a certain Beyblader will come up. So, well, incorrect. And you can see we have hints right below. Should say you're a bit off within 50. It should say within 5, but again, my code isn't fully functional. This is something I need to continue to work on. Let's say 9, 40. within 10, 45, within 20. Okay, so 35, within 5, 37, 33, 31, 30. There we go. And we got it right. It took us 9 guesses. One more guess and we would have lost the game. And yeah, these are the 3 bladers that come up. Jinga, Kyoyu, and Ryuga. But yeah, that's just it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.